Today's session discuss boric acid preparation. So boric acid preparation from borax and calamanite ore. So borax react with the sulfuric acid to give the product is boric acid, and next calamanite ore react with the sulfuric acid to give the product is boric acid. And properties, students. So boric acid is the colorless transparent crystals. And next will be important, boric acid with sodium hydroxide to give the sodium metaborate and sodium tetraborate. So 1 mole of sodium hydroxide react with boric acid, sodium metaborate. 2 mole of sodium hydroxide react with 4 mole of boric acid, give the sodium tetraborate. Same like that, action of heat of boric acid, different Kelvin temperatures, 373 Kelvins metaboric acid gives, and 413 Kelvin gives tetraboric acid, and gives the red hot is also boric anhydride in the glassy mass. So 3 equations. So boric acid with 373 Kelvin gives the metaboric acid, and 413 Kelvin is a tetraboric acid, and red hot is that involve of above Kelvins increases temperatures, so red hot, so anhydrous boric acid and boric anhydride. And the next actions of ammonia, so to give the product is boron nitrate. So very important equation. So boric acid with atmospheric ammonia react with 800 to 1200 Kelvin gives boron nitrate. Very important equation. Next will be consider boric acid with ethyl alcohol, presence of sulfuric acid to give the product triethyl borate. So common used to the any alcohol, trialkyl borate to formed. So formations of boron trifluoride, calcium fluoride with sulfuric acid involve of the boric acid to give the product is boron trifluoride. And next will be the sodium carbonate with the boric acid to give the product is borax. So structure is the two-dimensional structure, and BO3 is a unit of the linked in each hydrogen's bonds. So boron attached with thrice atomic of oxide atom, and in oxide atom to oxide atom internuclear molecular bonding of hydrogen atom. Uses manufacturing of water glasses, enamelers and pigments, antiseptic lotions, food preservatives. Next discuss diboranes. So diboranes in the metal hydrides, diboranes prepared from metal hydride. So sodium borohydride, sodium is a metal, borohydrates with the iodine. So iodine in borohydrate is the sodium borohydrate in diglyme, so means iodine. So to give the product diborane B2H6. Next magnesium borate with hydrochloric acid to give the product of boranes. And next properties is the most of properties also different temperature, different boranes also here. So next important of diboranes, diborane react with water to give the boric acid. Compared to the diborane react with alkali is the sodium borate. So actions of air, diborane with oxygen, so to give the product is a give methyl product is also like that borate is the pure diborane does not react with oxygen, and impure diborane is also amount of heat is also involved of the reactions, and diborane react methyl alcohol to give the trimethyl borate. So diborane with methyl alcohol to give trimethyl borate is also product. Next important equation is students is also reactions with ionic hydride. So diborane with lithium hydride to give the borohydrate, lithium borohydrate. So metal borohydrate is like that, any metal is used as the lithium borohydrate. And reaction with ammonia is like that, the different product is also given. So important is will be diboron react with ammonia, high temperature, closed vessel to give the product is also inorganic benzene is also to give Borosyl seeds or borosins to give the inorganic benzene. So important questions students, and structure will be discussed. BH2 unit and 2 bridges of the hydrogen. So 2 bridges on the hydrogens. So 12 valence of electrons is also structures of outermost valence of electrons is will be 12, and 2 center 2 electrons bond, 2 center 2 electrons bond, and bridges bonded will be connected, and 3 center BH unit. So this is a cross linked 3 centered 1 2 3 is also BHB bond, HBH hydrogen boron hydrogen bond. Same like that, the opposite hydrogen boron hydrogens bond. So sp3 hybridization students. Next to discuss, so uses of diboron used as the high energy propellant and reducing agents of organic chemistry, welding torches. Boron trifluoride. So boron trifluoride prepared from the calcium fluoride and boron trioxide. Boron trioxide, presence of sulfuric acid. Calcium fluoride and boron trioxide, presence of sulfuric acid. To give the product is boron trifluoride. So next will be the properties. Boron trifluoride with ammonia to give the form of complex. And the next uses, boron trifluoride is that preparing from the Hb tetrafluoride, hydrogen borofluoride. Tetrafluoride is the catalyst in organic chemistry and fluorescent reagents. Next will be discussed for aluminum chloride. So aluminum chloride will be prepared from the hydrochloric acid. Aluminum react with hydrochloric acid to give the product aluminum trichloride. So aluminum hydroxide with hydrochloric acid, same like that the product. So very important questions are McPhee process, McArthur-Fee process. So aluminum with carbon, it will be coke, so carbon with chlorine gas to give the product is aluminum trichloride. So aluminum chloride commonly used, and preparing the aluminum around 1000 Kelvin, aluminum with chlorine gas 1000 Kelvin to give the product is aluminum chloride. This process is called McPhee process. So important 2 mark 3 mark. And properties, aluminum trichloride react with the water to give the aluminum hydroxide. Same like that, aluminum chloride react with the ammonium hydroxide, same product is ammonium chloride and aluminum hydroxide. And the uses of aluminum chloride, catalyst used of Friedel-Crafts reaction, manufacturing of petrol, cracking of minerals, and manufacturing of dyes, drugs, perfumes. And important uses of alum, potash alum. Aluminum is also mono univalent metal. Some salt is a double salt is a form alum. Alum is also given double salt. Potash alum sulfate, potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate with water molecules. This is a one salt, this is a one salt combined with the water molecule. So 1 2 double salt will be mentioned. Type of alums in the aluminum alums. This is a potash alum. Very important questions. Next, the type of alums discuss. So type of alum, potash alum already known, that sodium sulfate means sodium alums. So already aluminum sulfate same, and the ammonium alum means is also front ammonium, and chrome alums is also chromium sulfate. It's like that a different alum, very important. So preparations of alum from that alum stones occurring from the potassium sulfate is also produced from stones, and properties like that. Potash alums above 500 Kelvin, remove of the water molecules, again will be heat, remove of the potassium sulfate and aluminum oxide and sulfur trioxide. And uses of alum, very important, purification of water, waterproofing textiles, leather tanning, dyeing, paper, and stipping agent, arrest bleeding. So very important uses, very important. So divine potash alum and uses of alum, preparing, how to the prepare potash alum. So important questions will be asked. The group number 13 will be discussed for finished. So group number 13, boron, borax, boric acid, and boron trifluoride, and last one is like that aluminum chlorides, and next will be the potash alum, aluminum based on the potash alum discussed. Next class will be discussed group number 14 students. Thank you to all.